Welcome to the list of all Google products. Google Search. World's most popular web search engine with AI-powered answers. Google Mail, Gmail. Free email service with spam protection and AI features. Google Chrome. A popular web browser developed by Google. Google Images. A search engine to search for images online. Google Shopping. A search engine to search for products across online shops. Google Maps. For navigation, traffic updates, satellite imagery, and local business search. Google Street View. Provides interactive panoramas from positions along many streets in the world. Google Photos. Cloud photo backup with AI editing and organization. Google Drive. Cloud storage for files, photos, and documents. Google Docs. Word processing and editing software application. Google Sheets. A spreadsheet editing software application. Google Slides. A presentation editing software application. Google Contacts. Contact management across. Google Meet. Google's secure video conferencing and online meeting service. Google Chat. An instant messaging software with the capability of creating multi-user rooms. Google Forms. For surveys and quizzes filling software. Google Sites. A Google's free website builder that lets users create and publish websites without needing coding or web design experience. Google Workspace. A suite of web applications for businesses, education providers, and nonprofits. Google Calendar. Schedule meetings, reminders, and events. Google Keep. Notes, checklists, and reminders taking services. Google Translate. Translates over 100 languages using text, voice. Google Lens. Search using your camera to identify objects, text, and places. Google Wallet. Digital wallet for payments, tickets, and passes. Google Finance. Stock market tracking and financial news. Google Flights. Flight search and price tracking. Google Travel. Trip planning and hotel recommendations. YouTube. Video sharing and hosting website platform. YouTube Music. Music streaming service. YouTube Kids. Google's child-friendly video platform designed specifically for children's. Google Play Store. Digital marketplace for Android devices. It allows users to download, install, update, and manage apps, games, books, movies, and other digital content. Google Play Games is Google's gaming platform that lets you discover, play, and manage games on Android devices and Windows PCs. Google Play Books is Google's digital bookstore and reading platform that allows users to buy, read, upload, and listen to books on Android, iOS, and the web. Google TV is Google's smart TV platform that brings together movies, TV shows, live TV, and streaming apps into a single, personalized interface. Google Cloud. It provides storage, databases, networking, artificial intelligence, AI, and other cloud services over the Internet. Google Files helps users to organize files, free up storage space, share files offline, and back up important data. Firebase is Google's app development platform that helps developers build, improve, and grow Android, iOS, and web applications. Flutter is Google's open-source UI, user interface, framework for building beautiful, fast, and natively compiled applications from a single codebase. TensorFlow is Google's open-source machine learning, ML, and artificial intelligence, AI, framework. Google Ads. Google's online advertising platform that allows businesses, organizations, and individuals to promote their products and services across Google Search, YouTube, and millions of partner websites. Google Analytics is Google's web and app analytics platform that helps businesses, marketers, and developers understand how people interact with their websites and mobile applications. Google Tag Manager is a free tag management system from Google that allows you to add, update, and manage tracking codes on your website. Google Search Console is a free tool from Google that helps website owners, SEO professionals, and developers monitor, maintain, and improve their website's presence in Google search results. Google Maps platform is Google's collection of mapping, location, and geospatial APIs and software development kits, SDKs. Google AdMob is Google's mobile advertising platform that helps app developers earn money by displaying ads in their Android and iOS applications. Google Pay is Google's digital payment platform that allows users to make secure payments, transfer money, pay bills, shop online, and make contactless payment. Google Vids is Google's AI-powered video creation and editing application, designed to help users create professional videos for work. Google Opal, a no-code development tool designed to help users build AI-powered applications with ease. Google Fit is Google's health and fitness tracking platform that helps users monitor their daily physical activity, exercise, and overall wellness. Google One is Google's subscription service that provides expanded cloud storage and additional member benefits. Google Earth, a virtual 3D globe that uses satellite imagery, aerial photography, GIS from Google's repository. Google News, automated news compilation service and search engine for news in more than 20 languages. Google Classroom, a content management system for schools that aids in the distribution and grading of assignments and provides in-class communication. Google Arts and Culture is Google's online platform that allows users to explore art, history, culture, and heritage from around the world. Google Trends is a free tool from Google that shows how often people search for specific keywords, topics, or phrases on Google search over time. Google Scholar is Google's free academic search engine that helps users find scholarly literature from a wide range of disciplines. Google Books, a website that lists published books and hosts a large, searchable selection of scanned books. Google Patents allows users to search and explore millions of patent documents from patent offices around the world. Google Drawings allows users to create diagrams, flowcharts, mind maps, infographics, simple illustrations, and other visual content. Blogger is Google's free blogging platform that allows users to create, publish, and manage blogs without needing web development skills. Gemini, AI assistant for writing, coding, learning, and productivity. Notebook LM, AI-powered research assistant for documents and note-taking online tool. Google AI Studio is Google's web-based development environment for building, testing, and experimenting with Gemini AI models. Google VO is Google's advanced AI video generation model that creates high-quality videos from text prompts and, in supported workflows, image prompts. Google Flow is Google's AI-powered filmmaking and video creation tool. Google Vertex AI is Google's unified artificial intelligence (AI) and machine learning (ML) platform on Google Cloud. Gemma is designed for developers and researchers who want to build AI applications that can run in the cloud. Google Assistant is Google's AI-powered virtual assistant that helps users perform tasks using voice or text commands. Google Charts, an interactive, web-based chart image generation from user-supplied JavaScript. Google Tasks is Google's free task management and to-do list application that helps users organize, prioritize, and track their daily tasks. Google Care Studio designed to help doctors, nurses, and other healthcare professionals quickly find, organize, and understand patient information from multiple electronic health record systems. Google Data Studio, an online tool for converting data into customizable informative reports and dashboards. Google App Engine allows developers to build, deploy, and scale web applications and APIs without managing servers or infrastructure. Google Developers, open source code and lists of API services. Provided project hosting for free and open source software. Google Web Toolkit, an open source Java software development framework that allows web developers to create Ajax applications in Java. Chrome OS, a Linux-based operating system designed for web applications and lightweight devices. A Chromebook is a laptop or tablet computer that runs on Chrome OS, Google's operating system. Android, a Linux-based operating system for mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets, developed by Google and the Open Handset Alliance. Android TV, a version of Android tailored for smart TVs, offering apps, games, and content streaming. Android Studio, An integrated development environment, IDE, designed for Android app development. Chrome Remote Desktop. A desktop and browser application enabling users to remotely access another Windows, Mac, or Linux system. Google Home is Google's smart home platform that lets you control and manage compatible smart devices from a single app. Google Wi-Fi. It provides fast, reliable wireless internet coverage throughout your home. Google Cast. A platform to display entertainment and apps from a phone, tablet, or laptop directly on a TV or speakers. AI Glasses. Smart glasses developed in collaboration with partners like Warby Parker and Gentle Monster. Google Nest includes products such as smart speakers, smart displays, thermostats, security cameras, doorbells, Wi-Fi systems, and smoke alarms that help automate and manage your home. Google Voice is a cloud-based telephone service. It provides users with a virtual phone number that can be used for making and receiving calls. Google Pixel phones are built around on-device and cloud-based AI, integrating the Gemini assistant deeply into the OS. Google Pixel Watch is a smartwatch which combines fitness tracking, health monitoring, smartphone connectivity, and Google's AI-powered services. Google Pixel Buds are wireless Bluetooth earbuds which designed to provide high-quality audio, clear voice calls, active noise cancellation on supported models. Google Pixel Tablet is an Android tablet. It is designed for entertainment, productivity, video calls, and smart home control. Waze is a GPS navigation and traffic application owned by Google. It provides real-time navigation, live traffic updates, road hazard alerts. Wear OS is Google's smartwatch operating system, developed by Google. It is designed for wearable devices. Not subscribed? Subscribe now. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Thank you.